Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, asynchronous programming allows you to write concurrent code that is more efficient in handling I/O bound tasks. Async functions are the building blocks of asynchronous programming in Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create and use async functions in Python, along with some code examples. Before we begin, ensure you have Python 3.5 or later installed on your system. An async function is a function that can be paused and resumed during its execution, allowing other tasks to run in the meantime. It is defined using the async keyword before the def keyword. Let's create a simple async function that simulates a time-consuming task using the asyncio module. In this example, simulate_task is an async function that prints a message when it starts, sleeps for the specified number of seconds using asyncio.sleep, and then prints a completion message. To run async functions, we use an event loop. The asyncio module provides the necessary tools for managing asynchronous code. Here's an example of how to run the simulate_task function. In this example, the main function creates two tasks, task 1 and task 2, using the simulate_task function. The asyncio.gather function is then used to run these tasks concurrently. When you run the script, you'll see output similar to the following. Async functions and the asyncio module provide a powerful way to write efficient, concurrent code in Python. By leveraging asynchronous programming, you can improve the performance of your applications, especially when dealing with I/O bound tasks. Experiment with different async functions and explore more advanced features of the asyncio module to unlock the full potential of asynchronous programming in Python. ChatGPT.